Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to talk about how to get into Back Ochos from a walk.
If this is something that you like, let's get to work right away.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor, ready to show you this move. Side step. He's walking on the left. So we keep going until he enters into Back Ochos for the follower. And walking on her left to lead her Back Ochos from the walk. Walking, Back Ochos. Very easy, very smooth. Enter into the walk again on her left side. Very useful and very important to navigate on the dance floor.
Yeah, I use this quite a lot when we have corners or I have to navigate. That's why it's really good for navigation. In order to align our partner, change the direction and use here. For example,
When we are doing this, one, we change body weight, you know already this. We have walking on the left. Here's the thing, I will, without changing her, my lower body is rotating, look at this moment. That's tip number one. And here, when we do the ochos are much easier to rotate, look. Pam. I'm already looking in that direction. I didn't do much, and I'm already looking on that direction. I can walk here, or I can walk again, pam, on this side. Yep. So one more time. Ochos, I already rotate 90 degrees. Pam. And she didn't even notice it. Pam.
so the 90 degrees without forcing her to rotate a lot happens from here. From you're walking and all of the sudden you are there. Yep. So she doesn't even notice it. For her, she's walking back and all of the sudden she's doing ochos. Yeah. So that is the surprise moment.
The goal is not to make her notice it because you are not moving the upper body. If she feels something strange on the upper body, she will not walk and she will try to do another figure. So in this case, you keep the upper body very still. Leaders, followers, don't try to copy what he's doing. He's leading you to stay on the same place. And then we have the lead for the ochos until he decides to walk again. Hold the position, hold the steps, keep doing the same step until we have the extra pivot for the ochos and ready to walk anytime on her left side again.
So we are now going back and forward, but of course you are not going back and forward at the Milonga. You're going to use it to go 90 degrees to the other corner, so you create a full circle at the Milonga.